SmartThings Find is a new service that helps you quickly and easily locate Galaxy devices using Bluetooth Low Energy and ultra-wideband technology. Whether you left your device in another room or even in a completely different city, easily locate your Galaxy device, including smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and earbuds, even when they're offline. At SmartThings app, locate and click the SmartThings Find card on the SmartThings dashboard. Select the device you want to display on the map. Then, the screen will show the location of this device on the map. If the device you are looking for is near you, click Search Nearby. Switch to the Search Nearby screen and look for a BLE signal. When the BLE signal is connected, it switches to BLE Find mode. It can help you locate the device due to changes in graphics, depending on the signal strength. If the device is hidden and not visible, user can ring the device by clicking the Ring button in AR Find mode or BLE Find mode. Samsung's new SmartTag helps you locate your non-connected belongings, from your keys to your wallet, or even your family pet using their collar, not just Galaxy devices. If you turn on the power of Galaxy SmartTag, you can add your tag at the pop-up window for connecting devices. User can now see the added tag on the dashboard of the SmartThings. At SmartThings Find, you can see the location of the tagged car key. Now, let's find where the car key is. Select Search Nearby. If the BLE signal is connected, it shifts to BLE Find mode. Depending on the strength of signals, the graphic changes. The bigger the green circle is, the closer the distance between you and the tag. If the item is hidden, you can select the ring icon and make the tag provide sound. This ring icon is found in the AR Find or BLE Find mode.